Hello my people, welcome again to GLAATORY. On my today's video I'll show you how I make this one of the favorite snack in Nigeria called Gala. So this is very easy recipe. Here I'm using my homemade chicken sausage. If you want to know how I made this sausage, I'll be posting the link below for you to check it out. Okay, here I'm using my hand to mash it. So I'm mashing it. You can use blender if you want to, but I prefer to use my hand. So now I'll be preparing my flour. Here I use 2 kg flour for making this recipe. So I added 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and salt. I'll be mixing everything to well combine. And I'm adding my margarine. Don't worry, I'll be listing the right measurement that I use for this ingredient on my description. Feel free to check it out. I'll be mixing everything to well combine. So now I added my milk. So you don't need to add too much milk. You can use water in replace of milk, but I choose to use milk. And you have to be careful so that you don't over add the milk and it turns out so soggy. So I'll just knead it. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. Here I'm cutting it the way I'll be using it for my gala. So if you're seeing my video for the first time, please subscribe and follow my page at GLAATORY Flavors. So I'm rolling it out the way I'll prefer to cut it. Here I want to make sure it's rectangular form, and I'm putting my smashed sausage and I will roll it. So you can see this is very easy recipe. If you can do it on your own, so why do you need to buy? At least you are sure of what is inside. Why don't you try making your own? You can see how it looks like. So I'll be doing the rest of the camera. Here I'm preparing my egg wash. So I'll be brushing it with my egg wash. And after this brushing, I'll be baking it for 20 minutes under 160 degrees Celsius. You can see it came out so well. Hope you get to try this recipe. This is very easy. You can make your own. If you can make your own, why do you need to buy? Please remember to like my video. Please comment and always share my video. You see, it came out so well and the aroma is everywhere. Let's see how it looks inside. You can see very yummy. It looks so yummy and it looks so good. Hope you get to try this recipe. Thank you for watching and follow me for more videos. Bye.